Good afternoon. Today we have learn the conditional probability. That is, the consider an experiment of tossing two pair of coins. Suppose we wish to find probability of an event A that both the coins show head. That is that is the two pair of coin. We have tossed two pair of coin. Then we find the sample space here. The sample space of pair of two coin is ohm equal to HH, TH, HT, TT. That is head tail, and tail tail. And A, that is A that both coins show head. That is we we can find A that the both of coins show head. Here both of coins show head is one sample space. That is A equal to HH. That is favorable event of A set is both of coins show head is HH. And assuming the sample space to be equiprobable, we have probability of event A equal to n of A. N of A is, that is the favorable event is 1, and total number of sample space is 4. That is n of A divide n n of P, that is equal to 1 by 4. But if it is know that at least one of the coins show head, then the sample space is reduced a new sample space. That is we have find the one of the coins show head in this sample space. That is at least one of the coin show head. That is we have the sample space is reduced, and to new sample space say B equal to, that is one head. That is here is head HH, here HT and TH. As there are only three elements in the reduced sample space, that is in B sample space, favorable event is 3 element in the reduced sample space. Probability of an event A with respect to reduced sample space, that is 1 by 3. And the above probability is called as conditional probability of A given B, and it is denoted by probability of A by B. Thus, the probability evaluated with respect to original sample space are called unconditional probability, and those evaluated with respect to reduced sample space are called conditional probability. And definition: if thus if A and B two events defined on the sample space ohm, the conditional probability of A given denoted by probability of A by B is defined as probability of A by B equal to probability of A intersection B divided probability of event B, and that is probability of B is greater than equal to 0, and similarly probability of B upon A equal to probability of A intersection B divide probability of event A, and probability of A is greater than equal to 0. That is, this is the definition of conditional probability, and we solve the example of the conditional probability. That is, here two pairs of coin, we have tossed the two pairs of coin, and we give the sample space, and and then reduce this sample space. That is, at least we have find at least one of the coin show head. That is in new sample space say B, and B equal to HH, HT, TH, and there are only 3 elements in the reduced sample space, and the probability of this B of is 1 by 3, and this above probability is called as conditional probability of a given B, and is denoted by probability of A by B A upon B.